This just showed up. Symptoms are runs rough. It's been sitting around for a while, so I'm sure it's just the carburetor all gummed up from what we call gas nowadays. Who does not like a 32? I'm just wondering. Oh, that's metal. That is not metal. That is not metal. That's too bad. That's a kit. But it's a pretty kit. And one of the things he wants is to shorten. I kind of like it. I don't know why he wants to shorten the gear shift, but it's pretty. I can't wait for the test drive. God, there's so much I want to do. His intake's leaking a little bit. Oh, that distributor sitting right on the fuel line. I'm always looking for fire hazards, and well, that could be one right there. Look at the wiring. Fucking positive wire. That should be tied up, and there's a perfect spot to tie it up right there. That's gotta be tied up. It's Yankee. We're gonna make it not Yankee. What's he using? Gosh, what's up with all these cheap fans and such beautiful cars? Most of his chrome is missing on the harmonic balancer. I can't fix that, but I can get him a new harmonic balancer. One of the things we got to know is it externally or internally balanced. The orange filter. Give him a new one. But all in all, lake pipes, American Racing Wheel. That is a pretty car. That's gonna be fun. What do you guys think? Huh? What do you think? Wouldn't mind riding around in that. Might as well just take that hood off. I think I'd take the hood off. She's pretty. Well, all you web freaks out there in the interweb land, I'm gonna get to work on said car. A blue hose on a red car. No. That's a no. So is that Mallory. That's a no. Good fun. Lots of work. Anyone want to come help? Come help me.